Hi there, Lisa Rana here with another short and sweet Assemble This video. Today's card is all about pet sympathy, and Unity Stamp Company has a couple new stamp sets that were perfect for this theme, and then just a really simple technique that you can apply to any card. I'm starting out with my images pre-stamped, and then I have a bunch of ink and pattern paper that I'm going to be using for this card. First off, I'm using the heart full of paws that can be used for cats or dogs or anything of your four-legged animal friends. I have that pre-stamped on some hammermill paper with Gina K ink. I'm using their brand new trio in carnation. So there's the light, medium, and dark carnation inks. I'm just going to layer up some color over the top of that stamped image in the darkest color of carnation with the light and the medium. Smushed that onto a really slick surface, added a bit of water, and then picked it up with my acrylic block and just kind of stamped it over the top of that image for a nice ink smushed look. And then I'm just going to pop that up on top of some pattern paper that match this monochromatic pink theme I have going on. Once that was really secure, I stamped my sentiment and then die cut it with the dashes and frills heart. I'm going to pop that up as well. I offset that off to the side of the heart, just kind of really like the look of that. Press that down really well, and then I stamped and fussy cut out this tiny little heart and then glued on a tiny little bow as well. I just thought that was really cute. I held that in place just to make sure it had enough time to adhere, and then to finish everything off I grabbed these really cute tiny little hearts that match the colors beautifully. And here is the finished card. I'm just really happy to have this sweet sympathy kit from Unity to send to my friends and family for when they lose their beloved pets, because it's such a heartbreaking time. As always, I'll have all the supplies linked in the description of this video on my Dollhouse Designs YouTube channel and blog. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Plus, if you have any questions or sweet comment, post below. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.